This week in AI, Anthropic is reportedly in talks to raise between $30 billion and $50 billion at a valuation of up to $950 billion. That would make the Claude maker one of the most valuable private companies on the planet. I'm Joshua. Let's get into it. According to the New York Times, Anthropic is negotiating with investors on what would be its largest funding round ever. For context, just 3 months ago in February, the company closed a $30 billion Series G at a $380 billion valuation. If this new round closes at the high end, that would nearly triple the company's valuation in under 90 days. So, what is driving investor enthusiasm? Revenue. According to Bloomberg and multiple reports, Anthropic's annualized revenue run rate has surged to $30 billion, reflecting roughly 80-fold growth in a compressed time frame. Investor documents indicate the company is on track to hit a $50 billion run rate by the end of June. That is an extraordinary trajectory for a company that was founded just 5 years ago. But here is perhaps the most telling data point. According to RAMP, the corporate expense management platform, more of its business customers now use Anthropic than OpenAI. That is a first. For a company that has long lived in the shadow of ChatGPT, this signals a real shift in enterprise adoption. Claude is no longer just the safety focused alternative, it is becoming the default for businesses. Of course, a $950 billion valuation raises questions. That would put Anthropic in the same league as some of the world's largest public companies. The AI race is as much a capital race as it is a technology race, and Anthropic is clearly making the bet that spending aggressively now will lock in its position for years to come. That is the wrap. Sources in the description. I'm Joshua. Catch you next week.